Hello good people, welcome to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I release a new video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to reset your KRA password. Perhaps you've lost access to your KRA account. We are going to learn how to get that access. So to reset your password, you will need your KRA PIN and an email address that you can access. If you don't have access to that email address that you use to register for your KRA PIN, you can get in touch with the KRA through their social media platforms, or you can give them a call and they will be able to reset to an email that you have access to. So to reset your password, you will go to itax.kra.go.ke. After that, you will input your PIN and click continue. And then you will click forgot password. The next page will ask you to solve the arithmetic for the security stamp. Click submit. You will be told that your password has been mailed to you. So we go to our email address that is registered with K.R.A, and in our inbox we have an email from K.R.A giving us a new password. So you will go back to your K.R.A portal, click back, in the login page, enter your KRA PIN, click continue. At the password section, input the new password that K.R.A has sent you. Solve the security stamp. And click login. The next page will ask you to create your new password, and you will first enter the password that you received from K.R.A. Input your new password. Confirm your new password. Select a security question. Give your answer. Confirm your answer. Agree to the KRA website policy, and also agree that you have read KRA password policy. Click submit. And that is it. You will receive a notification that your password has successfully been changed, and you will be taken into your KRA account. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thank you.